off. He's down already.
It had gone past before he'd even moved. Useless.
All Curran's down too.
Go, Paisley.
This is dangerous.
Tom the train has hit the buffers and the water. No, not Mark! Get up, big lad!
Nobody is having much luck on this. He tested well there, but you need to go forwards, not sideways.
Tess is in the pink and the drink.
Fast Andy's down again. Oh, he's chopped down there. Look at that. No. Slam poet James has made it across. And Tom the train falls straight behind him. Oh no, Andy's down again. That's a very impressive fall. I'll give him that.
Remember, the first 5 go through. Hopefully before my parking meter runs out.
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Someone get Rachel a chiropractor.
You right, mate? Take a breath. Go, Kevin!
Here he goes.
Go, Kevin!
Oh, Kevin's scuttling like a cockroach. Oh no, he's down, he's down. Come on, Andy. Come on, Andy.
He's in.
Oh, finally, Fast Andy's through.
Go. Okay, next one up. Run.
Oh, Rachel's down again. She's gone fully round us there. Oh, my word.
Didn't even make it to first base.
Oh, go on. Jodie Nancy Ian's through. Oh, go on. Who'd have thought it's Ratman Kev? That's the 5. Kevin, James, Tom, Andy and Ian. They're like a very wet boy band. Listen to this, Paddy. Wet Life.
Shocking.